I will create a new function inside the controller forward slash upload.go file, and I'm going to name this function save file to GCS. This function will accept a file argument and a file name. It's going to return an optional error object. Inside the function, I will retrieve the current working directory just as we did in other functions, and then construct a key path with the working directory and a string forward slash key.json. This will be the file for our service account key JSON from Google Cloud. Okay, forgive me for not showing you how to set up a bucket and all of that jazz, how to create service accounts, how to download a service account key. I'm safe in the knowledge that for you to still be watching up to this point, you already know all of that jazz, and you're just interested in knowing how to take the file that has been uploaded to your application and save it to Google Cloud. Use it, go. Okay, so let's continue. I will create a context for interacting with Google Cloud by calling context.background. Then I will create a new Google Cloud client by passing in the context as the first argument, and then leading up the key.json file to serve as the credentials by calling option.with credentials file and passing the key path to it. Then I will declare client.close. I will set up a context which will cancel any operations with GCS after 5 seconds if there are no established connection. Then I will create a GCS file object which is tied to a bucket maga underscore public, and this points to the file name argument. Then I will run go get cloud.com forward slash go forward slash storage to install the GCS client for Go. Then I will call o.newWriter with the context. I will copy the contents of the file into the object returned from calling o.newWriter. Then I will process any errors encountered while trying to copy the file to GCS. I will close the Cloud File Writer and print a message to the standard output file uploaded successfully, and then I'm going to return new from the function. Now here comes the challenge I told you about. What do I need to do to ensure that this code does not fail when I will run it? And then second, other than uploading files to the cloud or saving it on disk, what other method can we use for processing uploaded files?